Hi, in this video, we will show you 6 plants that you can easily grow in your own garden to help you manage diabetes. First up is cinnamon. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help reduce insulin resistance and lower blood sugar levels. You can add cinnamon to your food, tea, or take it as a supplement. Next is ginger. Ginger contains compounds that can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. You can add fresh ginger to your meals or drink ginger tea. Third on the list is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds contain soluble fiber that can help slow down digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which can lead to lower blood sugar levels. You can soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight and eat them in the morning or add them to your meals. Fourth is aloe vera. Aloe vera gel contains compounds that can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. You can consume aloe vera gel by mixing it into a smoothie or adding it to your food. Fifth on the list is garlic. Garlic contains compounds that can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. You can add fresh garlic to your meals or take garlic supplements. Last but not least is blueberries. Blueberries contain compounds called anthocyanins that can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. You can eat fresh blueberries or add them to your meals. Incorporating these 6 plants into your garden and diet can help you manage diabetes and improve overall health. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or medications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.